Welcome to Module 3, Technical Analysis. We're now going to get into how to read charts, the nature of the markets, the way they move, and how you can analyze that. Technical analysis is broken down into multiple sections, but by far the most important of which is price action. Price action deals with the actual movements on the chart over time of the price. It's how the candlestick charts that you're familiar with are made up. An analysis of price action in terms of phases and movements is how you will best estimate where price is going to go next. So we start from the basic. Price is everything. When I say that, I mean that price is a fact and everything else is opinion. No matter how complex your data may be, or no matter how cool it might sound, or how good it might look on Twitter or on YouTube or on TikTok, when somebody has an indicator or a set of data or some on-chain activity that tells you price is going to this, it's going to 250K or it's going down to 10K. Price is everything. Anything else is an opinion, be it an indicator, data set, or just an opinion of a thought leader in the space. You don't buy on-chain activity. You don't buy hash rate. You don't buy oversold, all the different things that might predict where price is going to go. You buy the actual coin at the actual price. So price is everything. You buy it and sell it based on price. You do not buy it and sell it based on what an indicator is saying. The indicators and the patterns and everything else that you're going to learn, they are merely a guide to tell you what you can possibly expect after you buy, but you only buy based on price. Let me explain. Look at this chart of Bitcoin with one indicator, which is the RSI, very common relative strength index. You'll learn all about it in a future lesson. Let's look at it, and we look at this area. We have this overbought zone. Okay, so when the RSI goes above 70, which is the dashed black line, it is considered overbought. In the red circle is where it crossed 70. And typically the conventional wisdom, what you learn from textbooks and from YouTube, is that over 70 is overbought and you shouldn't buy it, or you should even sell it or short it. Well, look what happens here if you sold or shorted above that 70. Price pumped and continued to rally for 8.6% further. The key mistake anyone made who just sold here based on RSI is they didn't listen to price first. They allowed opinion to change their objective view of what price was doing. In this move, there was nothing to suggest the move would stop. Nothing to suggest it. And in future lessons, you'll find out why in terms of how the price moved. But the first thing you should remember is price is everything. If RSI says 70, it's overbought, go look at the chart. What is the price action telling you? If the price action is still telling you that we're in an uptrend, then it will continue. Indicators are not predictive of future. They are backwards looking, and they are an estimation at best of what might happen in future. The price right now, in the moment, is always your best guide. So let's jump right into the next lesson, which deals with direction and path, two very important things that build upon the first principle of price being everything.